Hey there, Sarah here with Sara Olmsted Bags, helping you find fun and functional solutions for your lifestyle. So today I am doing a product demo on our Tiny Utility Tote. So this is just a miniature version of our #1 selling product, the Large Utility Tote. And you can see it's the exact same, it's just a smaller version of it. It has the same wire frame. It can sit and squish small like the other one, but it actually stands tall really well on its own. So something like this would be perfect for if you have smaller kids. The 18-inch doll fits in here very nicely, can sit in it. Your child can sit and carry it around, can put the clothes in it. This can also fit in the car perfectly in between car seats or just in the car to hold different things. You can put this in pantry. You can put this in under your sink to hold stuff. I mean, there's endless uses for this. There are 5 different patterns in this. This is our rose blush metallic. And you can see I sat and did the heart icon in our platinum thread. These run for $22, but otherwise check below. I'll put information or more information below about it and where you can click and see the different prints. But otherwise, if you are liking these videos, make sure you subscribe. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching.